Hello and welcome to all my new followers, and hello to my old followers. I do appreciate everything you do, and I do appreciate the people who buy me a coffee now and again. It really helps me, as I've only had three wages this year, 3 months wages, and it's been a real struggle. So I really do appreciate the gestures that you've made. I want to say about Alex Balefield's trolls. They're not out to get me, they're out to get you. They're out to stop you from riding your bike on the road. They're out to get you, they're out to kill you by knocking you off your bike because they're so demented. Yeah, so remember that. Alex Balefield's trolls are out to get you. I'm just in the way. Okay, you have a nice Saturday, and I'm going to try and see if I can get a phone signal and send this little video. Just remember to hit the like button, share it around your mates, and of course subscribe and hit the bell icon, which is down there. Okay, thank you very much.